Tired of manually retyping your Excel data into Word reports? Let's unlock the secrets to seamless data transfer. First up, the classic copy and paste. Open your Excel sheet and select the data you want, a single cell, a row, a column, or even an entire table. Simply press Ctrl+C for copy, or right-click and choose copy. Now, switch over to your Word document. Place your cursor where you want the data to appear. You have a few paste options. A simple Ctrl+V will paste the data, but for more control, right-click and explore the paste options. You'll see choices like Keep Source Formatting, which preserves Excel's look, or Use Destination Styles, which matches your Word document's current formatting. For a more dynamic link, consider embedding your Excel worksheet in Excel. Select your data and copy it in Word. Go to the Home tab, click the arrow under Paste, and choose Paste Special. In the Paste Special dialog box, select Paste Link and then choose Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object from the list. Click OK. Now, if you double-click this embedded object, your Excel spreadsheet will open right within Word, allowing you to edit it directly. And those changes will automatically update in your Word document. Finally, for creating personalized documents with your spreadsheet data, like individualized letters or reports, Mail Merge is your best friend in Word. Go to the Mailings tab and click Start Mail Merge. Choose the type of document you're creating, like letters, then select Use an existing list for your recipients and browse to your Excel file. Word will then guide you through inserting merge fields placeholders for your data like names, addresses, or values into your Word document. You can then preview and finish the merge to generate personalized documents for each row in your Excel sheet. By mastering these techniques, you can significantly streamline your document creation process, ensuring your data integrates flawlessly from Excel to Word. Start transforming your workflow today.